Have you ever had an idea for a video project that required you to shoot at a particular location, but it wasn't really realistic to travel there? Maybe you were doing a short documentary for a history class about a World War II battle that happened in England. Or maybe you were doing an analysis of the first moon landing for an engineering class. Or maybe you were explaining how a hurricane forms for a meteorology class and wanted to stand in front of a map and point things out. Being able to actually interact with a scene can help you communicate your message. And using a green screen and a technique called chroma keying allows you to achieve this effect. And with access to modern software and resources like the Penn State Media Commons, using a green screen is actually pretty easy. Basically, a green screen is literally just that, a piece of fabric or paper that is a specific shade of green. When footage shot in front of a green screen is imported into a computer, software can take everything that's a particular color and replace it with another image. The process of finding a color and replacing it with something else is what we refer to as chroma keying. There's a few things you'll need to try this out yourself. First, you'll need to find a studio with the appropriate lights and, obviously, a green screen like this. The right lighting is essential to getting the right key, or tone of green that the computer can easily work with. Make sure you don't wear any green clothes, or else the software might think that your shirt is part of the green screen and remove it from the shot. The Penn State Media Commons has provided a studio just like this at most campuses. Just visit mediacommons.psu.edu and go to your campus page to learn more. You'll also need software that supports chroma keying. The latest version of iMovie is probably your best choice, or you can use a more complex application like Final Cut Pro. If you're new to video editing, or just don't have a lot of time, iMovie will do nicely. If you don't have the software yourself, you can visit any ITS lab at Penn State. If you need help using the software, you can ask a Media Commons consultant, in person or by calling our hotline. Your campus page has information about this. I hope that this short introduction to using a green screen has shown you how easy it is to add chroma keying to your video projects, and how, in a short time, you can add a whole new dimension to your work.